Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Blanca here with Creativities Galore, and today we're making a no-sew dog costume using Oly Fun material from Fairfield World. The size I ended up going with was 13 by 18 inches. When you open up the material, I ended up having 26 inches wide. I then folded the top over about an inch and used some sewing pins to hold it in place. I only used 3 sewing pins because I didn't feel that I needed more than that. Once I had that pinned in place, I used some scissors to cut some slits at the top of the fabric that was folded over. I did use a scraper to help make the fold be a little more neater so that I could cut into it easier. And I just did these little slits all along the top. Once I was done, I unpinned it and unfolded the material. I used a safety pin at the end of some ribbon and just threaded that through all the way across. The safety pin makes it easier to thread the ribbon through the fabric. Then I just gathered the material at the top, and this made the neckline for the cape. And I just tied that extra ribbon around my dog's neck. Now for the hat, I used these witch hat picks that I found at Dollar Tree. I took off the stick from one of them. It came off really easily. And then I used some elastic. I initially taped it to the inside, but as soon as I put it on her, realized that wasn't gonna work. Although here I'm showing you the tape, I ended up doing this. Hot glue is what worked best. And that was it. That held the elastic in place very well. And that's it for this no-sew dog costume. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.